So let's solve together. We're going to say solution. So from the laws of exponent, if we have a to the power of x times a to the power of r is represented as a to the power of s plus r. So here our equation becomes 5 to the power of s plus s is equal to 60. That is 5 to the power of 2s is equal to 60. So here we're going to take log to base 10 on both sides. That is log 5 to the power of 2s is equal to log 60. And this becomes 2 log 5 is equal to log 60. So the power comes down to multiply the log and we are fine. So in the next line, we're going to divide both sides by the coefficient of 2s, which is log 5. That is over log 5 and over log 5. And log 5 can successfully cancel out log 5 and it becomes 1 times 2x, that is 2x. 2s is equals to log 60 over log 5. But 60 can be splitted into 5 times 12. So in the next line, we're going to write 2s equals to log 5 times 12, the place of 60, all over log 5. Again, log a times b is equal to log a plus log b. I will apply it here. And the next line becomes 2s is equal to log 5 plus log 12 all over log 5. And if you want to write this in the separate fraction, it therefore will become 2s equals to log 5 over log 5 plus log 12 all over log 5. But 12 can be splitted into 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. And 4 can be represented as 2 to the power of 2. So here, the next line will become 2s equals to 1 plus log 5 cancel log 5 to be 1. Log 2 to the power of 2 times 3 over log 5. So the next line we will have 2s equals to 1 plus log 2 to the power of 2 over log 5 plus log 3 all over log 5. And here we have 2s equals to 1 plus 2 log 2 over log 5 plus log 3 over log 5. The power comes down to multiply the log. But log a over log b is represented as log a base b. So the next line, we have 2s equals to 1 plus 2 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 for this. So we're going to divide both sides by 2. That is 2x over 2 equals to 1 plus 2 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 all over 2. Here, 2 will cancel 2. What is left is s equal to write them in different fraction to be 1 over 2 plus 2 log 2 base 5 over 2 plus log 3 base 5 over 2. And of course, 2 will cancel 2, and s will finally be left with 1 over 2 plus here log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 over 2. And this can be written also as s equals to 1 over 2 plus log 2 base 5 plus 1 over 2 log 3 base 5. And this is the value for x. And to verify this, from our original equation, we have 5 to the power of x times 5 to the power of x equals to 60. And this we solve to arrive at 5 to the power of 2s equals to 60. So in the place of s, we impute this value so that 5 times 1 over 2 plus log 2 base 5 plus 1 over 2 log 3 base 5. Can this be equal to 60? And if you do this very well, we're going to allow the 2 to multiply the bracket. We have 5. 2 times 1 over 2, that will be 1 plus 2 log 2 base 5 plus 2 times 1 over 2, that will be 1, to be left with log 3 base 5. Could this be equal to 60? And to simplify further, the next line will become 5 to the power of 1 plus log 2 to the power of 2 base 5. The 2 becomes the power plus log 3 base 5. We want to show if this is actually equal to 60. But a to power x plus r is equal to a to power s times a to power r. So the next line becomes 5 to the power of 1 times 5 to the power of log 2 to the power of 2 base 5 times 5 to the power of log 3 base 5. Can this be equal to 60? But log b base a, and if this is raised by the same base a, what happens is the base and the log to the same base is cancelled out, and what is left is b. So here we apply it here. What is left here is 5 to the power of 1 times this 5 to log to base 5, we cancelled out. What is left is 2 to the power of 2 times the same here. This is cancelled out. What is left is 3. Could it be equal to 60? So if you do this very well, we're going to have 5 times 4 times 3. We want to show if it's equal to 60. And here, 5 times 4, that is 20, times 3. Can this be equal to 60? 20 in 3 places, that is 20 times 3, that is 60. Is actually equals to 60. And that is the end of the equation. In this, it shows that the value of s as 1 over 2 plus log 2 base 5 plus 1 over 2 log 3 base 5 is actually true because it satisfies the original equation. Thank you for staying tuned to the end. Bye-bye.